Hello everybody, John here. We're going to learn how to make an assignment today. Um, so I'm in the modules area of my Falconer practice Canvas course. And what I'm going to do is come down here to week 1, and you'll be doing something similar to this in your final project courses. And over here you can see we've got little green clouds which indicate published pages, and down here we've got some grayed out ones that haven't been published yet. And this practice course is just a potpourri of different ideas we've tried out. But the fundamental procedure will be the same for everybody. You're going to click on this plus mark to add content. Sorry, my mouse pad's not working very well. And this is going to be a discussion. We're doing our icebreaker discussion. So I made one earlier, so I'm just going to use this same text. But if when you create a new one, you're going to choose what the file is going to be. So these are your choices: an assignment, a quiz, a file, just regular content for reading, a discussion board or a discussion forum, header, external URL, or tool. And we'll talk about those later. Right now we're going to do a discussion. And scroll down through here, and if you're reusing some of your assignment names, they're all stored here, so you can just click on them once. Otherwise, if it's a new topic, click new topic and then type in your topic name. So this is the icebreaker discussion. And I'm not going to bother indenting it, so then we say add item. So this will add our discussion item here. It's not published, so it's gray, as opposed to the one above it, which is published or has been published. And then we click on this title to open it up. And this is where we can put our content in. So here we are, icebreaker discussion. I'm the creator, so here's my avatar. I'm going to click edit. And this allows me to put in content. And I've got some saved up, so I'm just going to dump that in there. And this is just the instructions to the student. And let me make this a little more legible. I like to use large fonts, like 14 point is good. And we're going to describe ourselves as an animal in 300 words or less. So choose an animal you can relate to. I like to use bolding so they see the main part of the assignment. And if you have any links, like we have a Padlet word wall related to this, we can click this and make a link there. http://padlet.com. Now we'll turn that into a link where students can go for extra credit, and let's make that italic and bold, and students can post there. So it's going to be a graded reply. We're going to let them thread their replies if they have any. It's going to be 10 points. We'll put 10 in there. And we're just going to leave this, well, let's put it in assignments. It doesn't matter. Whatever grouping you're using will be fine. I was doing this with a summer phlebotomy class last year. And we're going to make the due date. I'm going to make it due today, but you can choose any day, and you can even assign a time. We'll just say today. Well, here, how about we'll make it just like our class we're doing, 11:59 p.m. and then done. All right. So once I save this, students will be able to go in here and start adding. And if they go to the assignments tab, they should be able to see that. And this is what they'll see when they go to that.